Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will start exercise 6A of D1 8th edition, and it is related with algebra. So first of all, let me tell you what is algebra. Algebra is basically when we will express something using the variables, constant and coefficients. Now what's our variable? These are the three main things for algebra: variable, constant and coefficients. Variable. Variable is the all the alphabets. We can use all the alphabets. Mostly we will use x and y and z, so you can use any of the variable if the choice is open for you. So all the alphabets are called variable. Constant, any number that is without variable. For example, if I'm writing 2x plus 3, so this 3 is without variable, so this is called constant. Coefficient, any number that is with variable, so that is called coefficient. For example, 2x plus 3, so that means this 2 is your coefficient. Remember that whenever you are writing any coefficient, so you are not supposed to write the variable with that coefficient. You will always write the numbers. I will give you some more example. For example, 5x plus 7, so 7 is your constant while 5 is your coefficient. Similarly, if I am writing 6x minus 8, so that means 6 is your coefficient and minus 8 is your constant. So any number that is without variable is constant, while the number that is with coefficient is called with variable is called coefficient. Hope so it's clear. Now algebraic expression. This complete is basically algebraic expression in which there are some variable, constant and coefficient, and some arithmetic means are there. Means either there is plus, minus, multiplication or division. So this is called algebraic expression. It can be in any form. It can be like this: 5a multiply with b, this is also an algebraic expression. 5a by b, this is also an algebraic expression. So it's not necessary that always plus and minus is an algebraic expression. It can be in the form of multiply and divide. So moving toward question number 1, write down an algebraic expression for each of the following statement. Now you have to make an algebraic expression. How you will make an algebraic expression? The easy way is that first of all, list the thing that is given to you. Question number 1, part A. Add mean plus 5a to the product of a and b. सो पहले आप लोगों ने वो वाली चीज़ें अलग करनी है जो आपको गिवन है. फॉर एग्जांपल हमें क्या गिवन है? 5y गिवन है. प्रोडक्ट का क्या मतलब होता है? प्रोडक्ट मीन्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन. क्लियर? प्रोडक्ट मीन्स मल्टीप्लाई करना. सो प्रोडक्ट ऑफ ए एंड बी का क्या मतलब हो गया? ए मल्टीप्लाई विद बी. सिंपली एल्जेब्रा में आप उसको मल्टीप्लिकेशन के साइन के बगैर भी लिख सकते हैं. इफ़ यू विल राइट ए मल्टीप्लाई बाय बी और ए बी, इट मीन्स दे आर सेम थिंग. ऐड का क्या मतलब हुआ? प्लस ए बी. दिस इज़ डन. हमें इसको कुछ सॉल्व नहीं करना. दिस इज़ डन. पार्ट बी, सब्ट्रैक्ट 3. एक आपके पास क्या चीज़ है? 3 है. फ्रॉम द क्यूब ऑफ एफ. अब क्यूब ऑफ एफ का क्या मतलब हुआ? एफ क्यूब 3 दफ़ा. ठीक है. नाउ वी नो दैट द टर्म दैट इज आफ्टर फ्रॉम दैट विल कम फर्स्ट. सो फ्रॉम द क्यूब ऑफ एफ, सो फ्रॉम के बाद कौन सी टर्म थी? एफ वाली टर्म थी. तो वो हम पहले लिख लेंगे. माइनस क्या आपने सब्ट्रैक्ट करना था? उसमें से 3 सब्ट्रैक्ट करना था. अगर आप 3 माइनस एफ क्यूब लिखते हैं तो ये आपका रॉन्ग हो जाएगा. ठीक है. ये आपका रफ साइड होना चाहिए जिस पे आप अपना वर्किंग कर रहे हैं कि आपको क्या क्या चीज़ें गिवन है और उससे फिर आप अपना अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन कैसे बना सकते हैं. पार्ट सी, मल्टीप्लाई के बाय 6q. के गिवन है, 6q गिवन है. मल्टीप्लाई का साइन लगाना है बीच में जस्ट आपने. के मल्टीप्लाई बाय 6q. और आई टोल्ड यू कैन सिंपली राइट इन विदाउट दैट मल्टीप्लिकेशन 6k q. You can write 6qk. The choice is yours. Clear? Divide 2w by. You know that 2w by के बाद वाली जो टर्म आती है वो डिवीजन साइन के बाद में आती है. 3xy. सो पार्ट डी आपके पास क्या हो गया? 2w by 3xy. Now you can write in fraction form as well if you want to write 3xy. Either you will write in this form, either you will write in this form, both are fine. Subtract 4 टाइम पॉजिटिव स्क्वेयर रूट ऑफ z. अब देखें एक लंबी बात आ रही है. क्या बात आ रही है आपके पास? 4 टाइम्स. 4 टाइम्स का मतलब है 4 मल्टीप्लाई पॉजिटिव स्क्वेयर रूट ऑफ z. स्क्वेयर रूट ऑफ z का मतलब क्या हो गया? स्क्वेयर रूट ऑफ z. अब ये 4 टाइम्स स्क्वेयर रूट ऑफ z हमारे पास हो गया. फ्रॉम थ्राइस ऑफ एक्स. थ्राइस ऑफ एक्स का क्या मतलब है? थ्राइस मीन्स 3 टाइम्स ऑफ एक्स. दोनों चीज़ें हो गई हैं. सब्ट्रैक्ट है. सब्ट्रैक्ट में मैंने आपको पहले भी मेंशन किया है कि आपके पास जो बाद वाली टर्म में आती है, जो सब्ट्रैक्ट के बाद आती है, वो आपके पास पहले आएगा. सो 3x उन्होंने बाद में मेंशन किया. सो 3x माइनस 4 स्क्वेयर रूट ऑफ z. रिमेंबर दैट जब आप अपना साइड वर्क साथ साथ करते जाएंगे सो ये आप लोग के लिए बहुत आसानी हो जाएगी. ट्वाइस द वेरिएबल p. ट्वाइस का मतलब क्या है? 2. ट्वाइस द वेरिएबल p डिवाइडेड बाय द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ 5 एंड q. डिवाइडेड बाय द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ. प्रोडक्ट का क्या मतलब हो गया? 5q. ठीक है. अब बीच में आपके पास क्या साइन आ जाएगा? डिवीजन का साइन आ जाएगा. सो इट्स डन फॉर यू. पार्ट f इज twice the variable, so that means 2p divided by product of 5 and q. Either you will write in fraction form, either you will write like that. It's your choice. Moving towards next question, question number 2. Now question number 2, given that x is equal to 6, y is equal to minus 4, evaluate each of the following expressions. Now expressions are given and the value is given. वैल्यू का क्या मतलब है कि आपने x की जगह पे 6 लगाना है और y की जगह पे आपने -4 लगाना है. अब कैसे लगाना है ये मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन करती हूँ. ऑलवेज यूज द ब्रैकेट वेन एवर यू आर पुटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ एनी वेरिएबल. इट कैन बी वेरी फ्रॉम क्वेश्चन टू क्वेश्चन. इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी कि अगर क्वेश्चन 2 में ये वैल्यू है तो ये थ्रू आउट द चैप्टर हमारे पास यही वैल्यू रहेगी. नो, इट कैन बी वेरी फ्रॉम क्वेश्चन टू क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 के ऑल पार्ट्स के लिए द वैल्यू इज सेम. Now if we will move question number 3, so the value may be changed. In exam the value may be changed. So it keep this in mind. How you will put the value? You always put a bracket in place of variable. अब variable की जगह क्या लिखना है आपने? 6 लिखना है. अब इस ब्रैकेट का क्या मतलब है? इज इफ देयर नो साइन बिटवीन द नंबर एंड द ब्रैकेट, दैट मीन ये आपस में क्या हो रहे हैं? मल्टीप्लाई हो रहे हैं. -7 इन प्लेस ऑफ y आई विल पुट अ ब्रैकेट एंड उस ब्रैकेट के अंदर आपने क्या लिखा देना? दिस -4. अब 4 मल्टीप्लाई विथ 6, द आंसर इज 24. दिस माइनस एंड माइनस विल बिकम प्लस. 7 4s are 28. You always have to put an equal sign before each step. 8 and 4 12, 2 and 2 4 plus 1 5. So this is your answer for this expression. Hope so the question is clear to you. Moving towards the next part, that is part B, and part B is saying 5x by 3y plus x. Remember that again you have to put the values are same. In place of variable always put a bracket plus. अब x था, x की जगह पे what is the value? 6. y what is the value? -4. and this plus x the value is 6. Clear? Now you cannot cut like this. First of all multiply. 5 6 are 30 minus 12 plus 6. What is the denominator? Nothing. So can I write 1 minus multiply with 12 multiply with 12. This minus you can write with your numerator as well. Divided by 12 plus 72. Now we know that plus minus is always minus, but sign आप जो बड़े नंबर के साथ होता है वो लगाते हैं. So 72 minus 30, the answer is 42 divided by 12. If the cancellation is possible, you can do that. 6 7s are 42, 6 2s are, so 7 by 2 is your answer. Moving towards part C. Part C is 2x square minus y cube. Whenever there are roots or squares, so first of all you have to simplify that rules, that squares and roots. Okay, x is 6 square y is minus 4 cube. 6 square means you have to multiply this 6 two times, not 6 with 2. 6 two times means 6 multiply with 6. So the answer is 6 multiply with 6 is 36 minus. This minus 4 cube means you have to multiply this minus 4 three times. Minus minus plus plus minus minus. 4 fours are 16, 16 fours are 64. So it's minus 64. Clear? 36 twos are 72 minus minus plus 64. So the answer from here it is 6 136 is your answer. Moving toward next part, that is part D. Part D is 3x plus x by y minus y square. 3 into x, so again use a bracket. X, the value of x is 6, and plus x, always use the bracket. Either there is a number there is a number or not before that variable, always use the brackets, it's easy for you. 3 6 are 18. Okay, this minus will come over here, minus plus minus. If I will cut these numbers, so it's easy for me. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. It will be 3 by 2 minus. Now this 4 square, what does this 4 square means? Minus 4 multiply with minus 4. So the answer is minus minus plus 16. So 16 from here. Clear? 1 by 1, LCM will be 2. So multiply with 2, multiply with 2, multiply with 2. 18 twos are 36 by 2 minus 3 minus 32. आइदर यू कैन डू 1 बाय 1, या अगर आप ये माइनस और माइनस ऐड करके और फिर 36 में से माइनस करते हैं, दैट इज़ योर चॉइस. 36 माइनस 3 इज़ 33 minus 32 divided by 2. So answer from here it is 1 by 2. Hope so the question is clear to you. Moving towards next question, question number 3. Question number 3, again the same, that is a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 5, c is equal to 6, and the first expression is a into 3c minus b. Now for a you will use the bracket, that is 3, the value of a 3, the value of c is 6 minus the value of b is minus 5. Remember that this 3 with all these numbers, so it's better that you will use a big bracket so you'll not get confused. Okay, 3 will remain as it is. 3 multiply with 6. Now you are not supposed to multiply this 3 with 3. Why? First of all, you have to solve this bracket applying BODMAS rules, and after that you will multiply it with 3. So 3 6 are 18 minus minus plus 5. So it will be 18 plus 5 is 23, and multiply with 3 is 69. This is your answer. Moving towards part B. Part B is AB square minus AC. AB square. What is the value of A? That is 3. What is the value of B? That is 6 square minus A is 3. B is minus 5. A is 3, C is 6. 3 minus 5 square, minus 5 multiply with minus 5, the answer is plus 25. So 3 multiply with 25 minus 3 multiply with 6, 3 6 are 18. 3 multiply with 25 is 75 minus 18. So from here you will get an answer that is 7 and 5, 57. Next part is related with fraction. B divided by A minus C divided by B. B, what is the value of B? Minus 5. What is the value of A? A is 3 minus the value of C is 6. The value of B minus 5. this minus and minus will become plus. Now what you will do, a mistake, silly mistakes होती है अक्सर स्टूडेंट की, ये 5 और 5 काट दिया, ये 3 और 3 कट कर दिया. No, there is a minus sign in between, so we cannot cut these. Cutting is possible only if there is a multiplication or division. So this minus 5 by 3 will remain as it is. This minus and minus will become plus 6 by 5. The LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. So that means I have to multiply this with 5 and this with 3. So the answer from here is minus 25 divided by 15 plus 6 3s are 18 divided by 15. 25 minus 18. So the answer is minus 7. Why minus 7? Because 25 is a bigger number, and with that there is a minus sign. That's why. Moving towards part D. Part D is B plus C by A plus A plus C by B. Now I should use brackets. B is minus 5, C is 6 divided by the value of A is 3, plus the value of A is 3, the value of C is 6, and the value of B is minus 5. So first of all I have to solve this. Minus 5 plus 6. Now some students do this silly mistake that this minus and plus will become minus. No, this minus is with 5. There is no lena dena of this minus with this plus sign. Okay, so ये minus 5 as it is आएगा. अलबत्ता अगर इस 6 के साथ कोई साइन होता तो फिर वो 6 और वो वाला साइन और ये प्लस साइन मल्टीप्लाई होके चेंज हो जाते या सेम रह जाते. क्लियर. नाउ दिस माइनस एंड दिस प्लस विल बिकम माइनस 3 प्लस 6 विल रिमेन एज इट इज़ डिवाइडेड बाय 5. सिंप्लीफाई कर लेते हैं पहले न्यूमिनेटर्स को. minus 5 plus 6, the answer is 1 divided by 3, minus 3 plus 6, the answer is 9 divided by 5. Clear? Now the LCM is again 15, multiply with 5, multiply with 3, multiply with 3. So from here it is 5 by 15 minus 27 by 15. So from here the answer is minus 22 by 15. Why minus 22? Because of this minus sign. Clear? Moving towards question number 4. And question number 4, let's see what they are saying. In question number 4 they are saying that simplify the expression 5x plus minus 8x. Now there is no values is given, we just have to simplify. Remember that in algebra we have a rule that we can add or subtract only like terms. Add or subtract only like terms. Now what are like terms? Like terms क्या होती हैं? Like terms are with same variables. Are those terms with same variables. With same variable. If the variables are different, we cannot add or subtract. Yes, we can multiply and divide, but we cannot add and subtract. For addition and subtraction, there is a condition that their variable must be same. Clear this thing? Now first of all we have to open the bracket. This plus and minus will become minus 8x. 5x minus 8x. The answer will be, because there is no sign, that means there is a plus sign. Plus 5 plus minus minus 3x. Why minus 3? Because 8 is a bigger number and with that there is a minus sign. Next question is minus 12x plus 7x. Now with one number there is a minus sign, the other number there is a plus sign. So I have to subtract and the answer from here it is minus 5x. होप सो ये आपको रूल्स याद होंगे. अगर फिर भी किसी को प्रॉब्लम है तो मैं रूल्स यहाँ पे एक दफ़ा एक्सप्लेन कर देती हूँ. इफ़ बोथ द नंबर्स आर प्लस सो वी विल ऐड, साइन विल ऑल्सो बी पॉजिटिव. इफ़ बोथ नंबर्स आर नेगेटिव वी विल also add, but sign will be negative. If one number is plus, other is minus, we will subtract. Sign will be according to the bigger number. If one number is minus, other is plus, again you will subtract. Sign is that with the bigger number. आसान तरीका ये होता है कि अगर दोनों के साथ सेम साइन है तो आप ऐड करेंगे, दोनों के साथ डिफरेंट साइन है तो आप सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. दिस इज़ अ की टू रिमेंबर दिस. पार्ट सी. पार्ट सी इज़ 13x plus minus 19x. It's better to open the bracket and then solve it. Plus minus minus 19x. There is no sign, that means there is a plus sign. So plus and minus different sign, that means you have to do the subtraction. 13 minus 19 means 19 minus 13. It's minus 6x because 19 is a bigger number. Moving toward next part. Minus 28x plus 6x. It's simple. Minus 28 plus 6 minus plus minus. The answer is minus 22x. Part D. Part E is minus 4y minus 9y. Both the signs are same, so that means you have to add, but sign will be, because minus sign hai so minus aayega. 9 plus 4, it's 9, it's 13y. Part F is minus 16y minus 3y. So again same sign, so you have to add, and minus 19y is your answer. Part G is minus 7z minus and minus 2z. So whenever there is a bracket, so first of all you have to open the bracket, after that you will simplify. Minus and minus become plus 2z, minus 7 minus plus minus, obviously minus 5z will be your answer. Part H is minus 11z minus 20 and in bracket minus 24z. So first of all open the bracket, minus 11z minus minus plus 24z. So from here 24 minus 11, so it will be 3 and 1, 13z. Sign will be plus. Plus sign if you will write or not write, it's your choice. अगर आप नहीं भी लिखते तो उसके मार्क्स नहीं कटते हैं, बट माइनस साइन हमें लिखना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. So that is it for today. See you in the next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.